This is something you can do if you're needing carvings. Here's a picture from George Kuehl 1908 ad that I took it to my local newspaper company, and they printed me this picture up in life-size format. That way I can use carbon paper and trace the picture onto the wood that I want to create for something that is missing. Here is my George Kuehl 1908 Cuckoo Quail Clock, and that's what the pictures were, or the ad was printed for, so I can recreate this clock. And it only cost me just about $1 to have those 4 pages printed up, and they taped them together. So just an idea. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.